Want to optimize your screen's performance? Learn how to use the dynamic refresh rate feature in Windows 11. Open the Settings app on your machine. Then go to System Settings. Next, on the left-hand pane, tap on the Display settings. Then, on the right-hand side, click on the Advanced Display to open the Advanced Display. Now, scroll down through the Choose Refresh Rate. You will see the refresh rate your display is using on the right-hand side. Click on the drop-down and choose Dynamic. At first, press the Windows key plus I keys together. Then, click on the System Settings. Next, click on the Display settings on the right-hand side. Then, on the same side, scroll down and click on the Advanced Display. Now, scroll down through the Choose Refresh Rate. You will see that is set to the Dynamic settings. Just click on the drop-down and choose 60 Hz or 120 Hz, as you like. Close the settings page and you are done. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.